Assalamu alaikum. In the last lecture, we see how to customize the header of a website. So in today's lecture, we will see how to customize the footer, and I will keep this topic brief because the steps involved in editing the footer are quite similar. We will be using the Adam Sourcing website as an example. You can see the footer section here. First, open your website, click on Customize, and then click on Footer. As soon as you click, you will see three areas: top row, main row, and bottom row. The first step is to remove the default theme credits from your website. Once you removed, your website name will appear. Click on the bottom row and you will find all the relevant settings there. Each row generally contains 2 to 3 sections. You can divide the footer into up to 5 columns depending on your requirements. In the footer, we work with widgets. These allow you to add items and manage spacing easily. The middle row also has similar functions to what we saw in the header section. Here you can add 1, 2, 3 or even more columns as needed. Let's add our first widgets. Click on Add Widget and you will see several blocks available. Blocks are very important. We will understand them in even more detail as we continue learning website designing. Now select the image block, click on Upload Image and add your website's logo. To adjust the logo size, simply click on the logo and use the drag and drop feature. If you want to add some text under the logo, click on the paragraph below and insert your desired text. To change the color or design, go to the widget setting, click on design and update the color or other styles as needed. Moving on the second column, I will add another widget here. First, from the widget settings, I will add a navigation menu. In the third column, you can add social media icons according to your preferences. From here, you can also add your social media links. That's all for today's video. We will meet again in the next section. Allah Hafiz.